Myntri Rangbah kajala konrat ke sangma habakan tho ek jingja pynbthei bom IED halaim khra ha kanok phaisngi kishputri noilar arjar puai hakba arngut ki brio kiloman saw ulo ong ba hakajinlang Kynhun Myntri ka sarkar MDA kala pendam juru yakani ulo ong ki kendon ki pating on pengat ik badangti hakani ka jing pynbthei bom ulo ong ki badan khti ban pynbthei bom ha ki banta ba per kajala lakam lun daki bor pulet ha ku ju por ulo ong ba onnama ik badangti ban pynbthei bom IED.
This matter was also discussed as an informal item after the formal items were completed, and the entire cabinet has very strongly condemned this particular IED blast that has taken place, and the cabinet has taken a very firm decision that very strong action will be taken against those who are responsible for this particular blast. We had, in fact, after the incidents that took place in Clariat many weeks back and before also in different occasions, the intelligence department and the wing of the police department and the police department as a whole had been working very aggressively on this particular blast that took place earlier in Clariat. And in the process, a large number of the sleeper cells and people who were involved in these blasts, in fact all of them were arrested and all of them were neutralized in the sense that they were all arrested. So neutralized could mean other things, but here we're talking about arrest. So all of them were arrested. So all the people involved in those blasts were arrested, and that of course led to maybe the reactions that we're seeing now. But as I said, firm action has been taken in the past. All the people involved in all the past incidents have been caught, and we will ensure that all the people who are involved in this particular incident or anybody who will be a threat to anybody, any citizen of the state, will not be spared. No, absolutely not, because there are, in fact, the intelligence department has been working very aggressively. As I said, because of the hard work of the intelligence and the police department as a whole, all the people involved in the bomb blast in Clariat have been elected. Clariat means you're talking about the cement company, you're talking about the flag hoisting that took place, you're talking about the police premises where the bomb blast took place. All the people involved in all these incidents have been arrested. So the Intel department has been working very aggressively. But yes, this incident took place, which is very unfortunate. But as I said, we are sending a very strong and firm message to all those involved in this that none of them will be spared. They are mixed. They are basically sleeper cell, overground workers, and people who have been actively involved and in communication. We have all the information and details with us. I will not be able to share all of them, but all this information is all with evidence. CCTV is only one part of the entire information that comes in. Wherever CCTVs are available, we will use that and we will get the information on that. But there are many other sources and ways on which we collect information. So all those channels will be used. And as I said, we will ensure that those people involved will be brought to justice.